Good morning, my dear students. Sequences and series continue. Next in the form of GP, lecture number 8. Lecture number 8, AP is over. Next start GP, geometric progression. Geometric progression, let AR square up to so on a into r to the power n minus 1. This is a GP sequence. This is in the form of GP sequence. GP sequence. Next, let GP series. Series means sum of terms of sequences. A plus AR plus AR square plus up to so on plus A into R to the power n minus 1. Here this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, up to so on this is Tn. If suppose sum is there, sum of Tn is equal to what? Sn. In Sn of GP is what? Sn of GP arises two cases. First one, A r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Next, A into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. If r is greater than 1, if r is less than 1. If r is greater than 1, first formula apply. If r is less than 1, second formula apply. Geometric progression, carefully listen. GP is there. Geometric progression means the ratio between any two conjugative terms is always constant. That constant is known as common ratio and it is denoted by small r. These two are the formulas, keep in your mind. Then start examples one by one. Lecture number 8, that is example number 1 in GP. Start the geometric progression. Example number 1. Example number 1. Find 10th and nth terms of the GP GP 5, 25, 125 up to so on. Solution. Let given first 5, 25, 125 are in GP? Yes, because listen here, are in GP? Yes, because 25 by 5, 120 by 5, 25, yes, 5. Common ratio is same. Definitely this is in the form of GP. If it is GP, here A is what? A is equal to what? 5. Common ratio R is what? 25 by 5 is what? 5. To find what? T10. We know that the formula for GP, T10 formula is what? That is Tn formula is what? A into r to the power n minus 1. Here T10 is what? T10 is equal to A into r to the power 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Power 9. At AP, GP difference, ratio, power, index. Here A value is what? 5. R value is what? 5 substitute. A is 5 into R is 5 to the power n. We know that by the law of indices, a power m into a power n. Formula is what? A power m plus n. This is the formula. If there is no number 1, base are same, power should be added. 5 to the power 1 plus 9 is equal to what? 5 to the power 10. T10. 10th term is over. Next, to find what? Nth term. We know that nth term of GP, nth term of GP. Nth term of GP means Tn already is there. Tn is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. Tn is equal to, substitute A value and R value. A is what? A is 5, R is 5. 5 into 5 to the power n minus 1. Same base, power should be added. If there is no power, consider 1. Base is 5. Here 1 plus n minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancel, 5 to the power n. That is the answer. Any doubt? Next, example number 2. Next, example number 2. Example number 2. Which term of the GP, which term of the GP, which term of the GP 2, 8, 32 up to n terms is up to n terms is 1 3 1 0 7 2. Which term of the GP 2, that is up to n terms. Which term of the GP up to n terms is 1 3 1 0 2. Here solution. Let given what? 2, 8, 32. Yes, are in the form of GP? Yes, are in the form of GP. Yes, 8 by 2 4, 32 by 8 4. A is equal to what? 2. Common ratio, R is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. Number of terms find out. But this is what? Sum. Here is what? Here term. Nth term is given. That is Tn is equal to, nth term is given 1 3 1 0 7 2. GP, here last term is 1 3 1 0 7 2. Here this is the one. This is T1, this is T2, this is Tn. This is T1. Here, that is, find what? N is equal to take what? We know that Tn is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. Tn is what? 1 3 1 0 7 2 is equal to 1 3 1 0 7 2 is equal to A is what? 2. Common ratio R is what? 4 to the power n minus 1. That is 2 take left. 1 3 1 0 7 2 divided by 2 is equal to 4 to the power n minus 1. Here this can be expressed in the form of what? 2 6 are 12, remaining 1, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. Six double 5 3 6 is equal to 4 to the power n minus 1. Here how many? 4 to the power 8. 4 to the power 8 value is what? That is this can be expressed 4 to the power 8. That is this index convert 4 to the power 8 is equal to 4 to the power n minus 1. Here by the law of indices a power x is equal to a power y, which implies x is equal to y. By the law of indices 8 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 take left, 8 plus 1 is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to what? 9. That is the answer. Next, example number 3. Example number 3. Example number 3. In a GP, the third term is 24. The third term is 24 and the sixth term is 192. Sixth term is 192. Find the 10th term. Find the 10th term. That is here given solution. Given what? Third term is 24 and the sixth term is 192. These two conditions are very important. Third term T3 of GP is there. A into R to the power 2. This value is given is equal to what? 24. And another one more is there. 192 is there. That is here equation number 1. And another one is there. Sixth term T6 is equal to A into R to the power 5. This value is given, that is 192. Equation number 2. Which implies, that is equation 2 by 1 apply. A into R to the power 5 divided by A into R to the power 2 is equal to 192 divided by 24. A get cancelled. Here R square complete get cancelled. Here remaining present 3. 24 8 8 into 4 32. 8 2 is 16 plus 3 192. 24 8 R cube is equal to 8. R cube is equal to 8. This can be written R cube is equal to 2 cube. By the law of indices, here powers are same, they should be equal, which implies R value is 2. If R value is 2, substitute any one of the equation. If R value is 2, substitute any one of the equation, we'll get the A value. Equation number 1 implies A into R square is equal to 24 is equal to 24. Substitute R value, A as it is, R is 2, 2 square is equal to 24. 2 square is what? 4, that is 4 take right side, A is equal to 24 by 4, A value is what? 6. A value is what? 6. Here A is there, R is there. Next, to find what? This one, 10th term is what? T10 is equal to what? That is the question mark. T10 is equal to A into R to the power 10 minus 1 is what? 9. Substitute A value, substitute R value. Here A is what? A is what? 6. R is what? 2. 2 to the power 9 is equal to 6. 2 to the power 9 is what? 512. Then this value is what? 6 2s are 12, remaining 1. 6 1s are 6, plus 1 7, 6 5s are 30. That is the T10 value. Any doubt? This is here, third term is given and sixth term is given. To find a T10, third term is equal to this 24, sixth term is equal to 192. Solve these two equations. Ratio forms, divides. That is here R cube is equal to 8. R value is what? 2. R value substitute any one of the equation, will get A value. A and R substitute in T10th term. T10 is equal to A into R to the power 9. A value is 6, R value is 2. That is 2 power 9, 512. 512 into 6, 3072. That is the value. Next, example number 4. That is the value. Example number 4. That is example number 4 in a GP. Example number 4. Find the sum of find the sum of first n terms, sum of n terms, and the sum of first 5 terms of the GP series that is 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 plus up to so on. Find the sum of, that is here first n terms sum and the sum of first 5 terms. That is very important. Sum and sum. Sum means Sn. Solution solution. If given series is what? GP series, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, 2 by 3 series, GP series is given, that is 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 plus up to so on. This is in the form of GP series where A is equal to first term, A is what? 1, first term. Common ratio, any term divided by previous term, 2 by 3 divided by 1 is what? 2 by 3. 2 by 3. To find what? Sum of first n terms, Sn is equal to if R here 2 by 3, that is here less than 1, greater than 1, definitely in the form of what? Less than 1. 2 by 3 is definitely less than 1. That is here Sn is equal to A times formula. If less than 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R. This is the formula for sum to n terms of GP. If R is less than 1 condition. If R is greater than 1, first R. A value is what? 1 minus 2 by 3 whole to the power n divided by 1 minus 2 by 3. Here 1 minus 2 by 3 value is what? LCM. Here LCM is 3. 3 minus 2 is what? 1 by 3. Understood? Is equal to, that is here 1 minus 2 by 3 whole power n divided by 1 by 3 minus 2 1 by 3. 3 take numerator 3 times, this take at up, that is 1 minus 2 power n divided by 3 power n. This is the Sn. Next, second Sn, another one is there for first 5 terms, sum of first 5 terms, that is n is equal to A into 1 minus R to the power n, R is less than 1 divided by 1 minus R. If n is equal to what? 5, n replace 5. S5, S5, A is already given 1 minus already series 2 by 3 power 5 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 is what? 1 by 3 take up. That is 1 minus 2 power 5, 3 power 5 divided by 1 by 3 is equal to 3 take at up 3 times 1 minus 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 5. This is the example number 4. Sum, keep in your mind, term means T, sum means S, sum Sn. That is the main important. Sum means Sn. Next, example number 5. Example number 5 for the GP series. Example number 5. Example number 5. How many terms of the GP? How many terms? How many terms of the GP, how many terms of the GP geometric progression. 3 by 2, 3 by 4 up to so on are needed to give the sum, are needed to give the sum 3069 divided by 512. How many terms means n, find out. How many terms means n, find out. If n value find out, let given first solution series is given. Let terms under GP sequence, let 3 by 2, 3 by 4 are needed to give the sum. This is the GP series. Here A is what? A is equal to 3. Common ratio R is what? 3 by 2 divided by 3. 3 by 2 divided by 3 is what? 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled, 1 by 2. 3 by 2 here divided by 3 is there, is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means less than 1 formula, less than 1. Here number of terms n is equal to what? And one more, Sn is given. Sn is equal to what? 3069 divided by 512. Here that is, simplify this one. We know that the formula sum to n terms are needed to give the sum. Sum is given. This is given sum Sn. Sn is equal to GP form is there. A, R is always less than 1. 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R. 1 minus R. Sn is given 3069 divided by 512 is equal to A is the first term 3, A is the first term 3, 1 minus R is 1 by 2 whole power n, number of terms find out, whole power n divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2. Here that is, here find out this one. This can be expressed in the form of what? Here 3069 512 3 by 2 whole power 2 to the power 9 is there. This is 3 to the power, which simplify after 3069 divided by 512 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 3, 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power n divided by 1 by 2. To take it up, to take it up, 3069 divided by 512 is equal to 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is what? 6. 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power n. 6 take it down, 3069 divided by 512 into 6 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power 9 n. That is here 3069 divided by 3072. 6 2s are 12, remaining 1, 6 1s are 6, 7, 6 5s are 30 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power n. This is here Sn, that is the substitute R value and Sn value. Next it is that is 1 by 2 take left, this take right, this is take left, this take right, minus becomes plus 1 by 2, 1 to the power n is what? 1, because 1 to the power n 1. Understood? Here 1 minus 3069 divided by 3072. LCM apply. 1 by 2 power n is equal to what? LCM is 3072. 3072 minus 69, 3. Understood? Next 3 tens are 3 24s, 1024. Therefore 1 by 2 power n is equal to 1 by 2 power 10. 1 by 2 power 10. Therefore n is equal to what? 10. Therefore n is equal to take 10. Any doubt? This is A is equal to 3, R is any term divided by previous term GP form 1 by 2, always less than 1. Sn is equal to 3069 divided by 512, n equal to what? We know that Sn formula is what? A into 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R. R value is 1 by 2. R value is 1 by 2. This is Sn, this is A. Simplify this one. This 1 by 2 take it up, 1 by 2 becomes 2. 2 into 3, 6. 6 take it down, 512 into 6, 3072. This take left, this take right. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. LCM 3 1s are 3, 1024s are. Simplify. 2 to the power 10 is 1024. Next that is in the form of what? Here 3 10 2 3. That is 3 by 2. Next, example number 6. 5 is over. Example number 5. Next, example number 6. Example number 6. The sum of the first three terms, the sum of the first three terms of a GP of a GP is 13 by 12 and their product is minus 1. Find the common ratio and the terms. Find the common ratio and the terms. Solution that is GP terms that is sum of the first three terms that is A by R AR GP terms. If you keep in your mind first three terms GP terms, if common ratio should be same, A divided by A by R, common ratio is R. A by R divided by A get cancelled, common ratio is R. First three terms, sum means add. This sum means add, not that is Sn. Sum means add. Here that is A by R plus A plus AR. Sum should be 13 by 12. Equation number 1. Next, product means multiplication. Sum means add. Product means multiplication. Their product A by R into A into AR. A into R is equal to minus 1. Product R get cancelled. A cube is equal to minus 1 cube is what? Minus 1. Therefore, A value is what? Minus 1. A value is what? Minus 1. A value substitute in equation number 1. A value substitute. A is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 by R. Minus 1 minus A into R is equal to 13 by 12. If minus taking common, that is 1 by R plus 1 plus AR, A into R is equal to 13 by 12. Minus take right side, by apply LCM. LCM is what? R. This minus take at right, minus 13 by 12. 1 plus R plus AR. A value is minus 1. Sorry, A value is minus 1. That is A value is minus 1. That is R square. Understood? A value is what? Minus 1. A value is what? Minus 1. A value is what? Minus 1. That is by apply LCM, minus taking common, take at right side. R is the LCM, 1 plus R square. Simplify this one. R is what? That is here 1 plus R square is equal to minus 13 R divided by 12. This take it left. 12 plus 12 plus 12r plus 12r square is equal to minus 13r. Biggest 12r square, 12r square. 13 plus 12, 25, 25r, 25. Remaining plus 12 is equal to 0. This is which form? Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation 12 into 12, 144. 144 can express 16 into 9. 12r square plus 16r plus 9r plus 12 is equal to 0. These two. Taking common 4r, 3r plus 4. Taking common 3, 3r plus 4 is equal to 0. Here 3r plus 4 is equal to 0 and 4r plus 3 is equal to 0. Two values. R value minus 4 by 3, R value minus 3 by 4. A value is over, R value is there. Find common ratio. Here common ratio 2 values and the number of terms. And write the number of terms, that is here A by R, AR. This is the terms. Substitute A value and R value. If A value is minus 1 is fixed, R value is what? R value, first one minus 4 by 3. First term is what? Minus divided by minus 4 by 3 becomes 3 by 4. Next minus 1. Next here is what? Minus minus plus 4 by 3. Another one is there. R is equal to minus 3 by 4. Reverse. A value is minus 1. Minus 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 3. Minus 1 and 3 by 4. Number of terms. Number of terms. That is the terms. Any doubt? Listen here. Keep in your mind. That is very important one condition. That is what? First term of GP. This is carefully write. Don't mistakes. AR square. That is the sequence. Sum of sequences, sum of terms is there. But here first 3 terms of the GP. But common ratio should be same, maintain. Common ratio should be same, maintain. A by R, AR. These 3 terms of the first 3 terms of the GP. 3 terms. That is here in the form of what? Here first 3 terms of GP is the form. Keep your mind. A by R, AR. Just keep in your mind. First 3 terms of GP, their product should be minus 1. Their product should be minus 1. It is product is minus 1. Apply this condition. That is A by R, AR. Common ratio is same. A by R, AA. Sum means add. Product means multiplication. Sum means this one is there. Simplify. And product is what? Minus 1. A value is exist. Substitute A value in equation number 1. A value is what? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. That is here. Carefully write. Okay. LCM apply. LCM is R. Multiply R. 1 plus R square. Cross multiplication. This is cross multiplication is there. That is yes. Cross multiplication. And quadratic equation exists. Solve. Next, example number 7. Example number 7. Find the sum of the sequence. Find the sum of sum of find the sum of the sequence 7 double 7 triple 7 4 times 7 up to so on to n terms to n terms. Solution let 7 plus double 7 plus triple 7 plus 7 plus n terms not a GP. There is no common ratio, not a GP. Convert in the form of GP, that is procedure. Here there is Sn is equal to is there. Sum is Sn. Yes. That is Sn is equal to here 7 taking 7 taking common 1 plus 11 plus triple 1 plus double 1 plus up to so on n terms. Here next step is what? One very important condition here in this type of example. Same numbers in the form of same numbers condition. Multiply. Biggest number is what? 9. Multiply and divide by 9 on RHS side. RHS. Multiply divided by 9 on RHS side is what? Here 7 divided by 9 multiply by 9 divide by 9 is what? Multiplied by 9 divide by 9 plus double 9 plus triple 9 plus 9 n terms. Next is what? Here 7 by 9 can express this. 9 can return in the form of what? 10 minus 1 plus this 99 can return 100 means 10 square minus 1 plus this 999 can return 10 cube minus 1 plus n terms. Any doubt? Here carefully 7 double 7 triple 7 up to so on is there n terms. 7 taking common 1 plus double 1 plus triple 1 plus double 1 up to so on is there. Next multiply and divide by 9 in RHS side. Here 7 as it is, divided by 9, multiply by 9 in each term, multiply by 9. 9 take inside. 9 can return 10 minus 1. 99 can return 10 square minus 1. 10 square is 100. 999, 1000 minus 1 up to so on. 10 term one side, 1 term one side. That is 7 by 9. 7 by 9 is there. That is here 10 plus 10 square plus that is Sn is equal to 7 by 9. 10 term on side, 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus up to so on n terms minus 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus n terms, understood? 10 term one side, 1 term one side, but this is in the form of what? This is GP series, yes, geometric series, that is geometric series. In this place A is what? 10. Common ratio R is what? Any term divided by previous. 10 square by 10, 10 cube by 10 square is what? 10, greater than 1. This is meaning is what? Sn of GP, if Sn of GP are greater than 1, condition apply. R greater than 1, condition apply. Here this is what? 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. How many terms? N terms. This is what? N. Understood? Here 7 by 9. Sn of GP formula is what? Sn of GP formula I will write here. Sn of GP greater than 1 formula, A times R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. This is the formula. Write A times R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. That is the formula. Understood? Clear? Here Sn of GP series. Sn of GP series. Sn of GP series. This is the formula that here next one is what? Minus 1 plus 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 1, this complete series n, because in first class note summation of 1 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus n times is equal to what? N. Understood? Summation of ones, sum of ones is equal to what? N. Substitute A value, R value 7 by 9. A is what? 10. Common ratio 10. N minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1 minus N. Will mistake here that is understood. 7 by 9 in common for both. Understood? 7 by 9 for both. Next is equal to 7 by 9 10 to the power n minus 1 divided by 9 minus 10. This is the formula for that. Sn. Any doubt? Listen here. Once again I will explain. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7 up to so on n terms. If 7 is there, 7, 7 not a GP series. Converted in GP series, 7 taking common, 1, 1, 1, 1 up to so on n terms. Multiply and divide by 9. This is very important point or very important condition. Keep in your mind. Multiply divided by 9. Divided by 9 is what? Multiply by 9, 9, 9 up to so on n terms. Here 9 can return 10 minus 1. 99 can return 10 square minus 1. 999 can return 10 cube minus 1 up to so on n terms. Next here 7 by 9 as it is. 10 term one side, 1 term one side. 10, 10 square, 10 cube up to n terms. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus. How many ones? N times ones. That is, this total value is what? N. This is 7 by 9 is there. Sn. This is what? Sn of GP series. Sn of GP series. A is 10, R is 10, greater than 1 formula. A times R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Greater than 1 is first R. Less than 1 is second R. Here greater than 1, R is first. Greater than 1 is there, R is first. Here A value is what? 10. R value is 10. Minus 1 as it is. 10 minus 1, 9. Here minus n. This flower indicates 7 by 9 effect in alter. Clear? Any doubt? Understood? Okay. Suppose same example. Here suppose example number 8. Suppose example number 8. Find the sum of n terms. That is here. This replace double 8, 8, double 8, triple 8, up to so on n terms. In this form is there. Procedure will be same, no change. Here 7 replace, all in the form of what? 8 plus double 8 plus triple 8 plus up to n terms, not a GP. Here same as it is, Sn, 7 replace 8, yes, 8 taking common, fix, multiply, divide by 9 in RHS side. Here 7 replace, here 7 replace, here 7 replace, here 7 replace, here 7 replace. That is 7 replace 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Suppose find the sum of sequence 5 plus 5 sum of sequence suppose in the form of what? 8 double 8 triple 8. Sorry. Suppose find the sum of the sequences. Suppose 5 double 5 triple 5 up to so on is there. 5 double 5 triple 5 up to so on is there. That is in the form of what? 7 plus 6. 5 double 5 triple 5 up to so on. 5. 8 replace, suppose 5 asking question. Yes. Sn is equal to 5. Here 8 replace 5. Procedure will be same in whatever PV examples. Number is changed only. Procedure will be same as it is. Okay. Any doubt? Very important example. 5 marks question. 7 or 8. One asking examples in annual examination. Carefully practice. Okay. Next class I will explain in the next class. Okay. Thank you.